when it comes to areas of language and speech and tonality. So
interesting.
Yeah,
Man.
Linguistics.
Yeah.
You know the theory of music. You're a musician.
Yeah.
I mean, I want this show to be different than the other show.
Synergizing what you have intrinsically and
a commercial art, commercialized area, a city. And this is what gives you the reference.
Our primary focus is bipolar, and we're going to take a cross-disciplinary, a multidisciplinary, a transdisciplinary, and an interdisciplinary approach to mental disorder.
So you do all this, but you also have a YouTube.
You know, I want this show to be about teaching Jimmy. You know, maybe that's the game.
When you play a note on an instrument, what determines amplitude? What determines frequency? What
around linguistics, because computational linguistics is centered around machines
in semantics, ambiguity, in
analysis, a musical theoretical analysis, a linguistic analysis.